So how can you import audio to the CapCut using your iPad? Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So on your iPad, naturally just start a new CapCut project or just work with your existing one. And in order to add or import the audio, what you need to do is below your layer, like the video layers, you'll be able to see a little button for adding the audio. So you need to click that. And it gives you more options on how you can import it. So you can click on the sounds library and it will move you to like the CapCut sounds, right? And you can see there are plenty of options in here. So you can, for example, even just extract it from existing videos saved on your iPad or use voiceover or a text to audio, plenty of ways. However, if you have some sounds saved on your iPad, you need to click on the sounds option in here again, and then don't go for the recommended sounds or like soundtracks or whatever, but just click on the file folder here. Then you can see that we can extract it from a video or click on the device option. And then the button, which is called select from device, is going to appear, which moves you over to the files application where you literally have all of your files in here. And obviously, you can browse through all of them, but only audio files can be selected and moved in here. So you cannot really click on anything else if it's not a sound file. So that way you can select it like that, click on open, and then tap on it once again to bring it into your timeline right there. So it just works well. You now have it part of your project. You can do whatever you want, some edits and whatnot, but this is how you can import audio into CapCut on your iPad. Let me know if it worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I hope I get to see you later in the next tutorials as well.